Okay, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Wednesday adjectives. So here we are. Available. 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 Something. Something free to be used. Open and approachable. And approachable and free to be used. Yeah. This room is available. This room is available. Yeah, it is free. We can use it. That bicycle is available. Yeah. Talk to the doctor and find out when he is available. Yeah. How cool is that? We will be available tomorrow. We will be available tomorrow. Yeah. See, I will not be available tomorrow. I'm going biking. Yeah. I won't be free tomorrow. I'll be free tomorrow. Yeah, no. They have some available times soon. Yeah. The available, or my available times can be seen online. You can see my available times on the website. You can see them on the website. Yeah. How cool is that? So, I am available. You are available. They are available. It is available. He is available. She is available. Nice. Makes sense. So we could say then, yeah, I am available to teach soon. Yeah, I am available. Yeah. You are not available today, right? You're not available today, are you? Right? They are available and free now. I just read it. They are available now. It is available in stores now. Yeah, it's you can buy it. You can buy it now. You can buy it now. Yeah. How cool is that? He is available. You just need to talk to him first. And she might be available on Friday. It depends. It depends on things. She might be free and available on Friday, but it depends. Yeah, depends on stuff. So we could then say we are not available back. We were not available back then. We did not have free time back then to do these things, but we are available now. We are making the technology more available to people, more open, more usable, more approachable for more people. The more available it is, the more people can use it. How cool is that? I'll see how available they are. Yeah, we are just how available they are. Yeah, they might not be available next week. It depends on their schedule. It depends on their schedule, you see. Yeah, it depends. If they are available, very good. If they are not available, then you'll have to wait another week. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So, I am available. You are available. They are available. It is available. He is available. And she is available. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? So, can you use available in the sentence? In a sentence? Can you write the sentence in the comments below? And like the video. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. Very good. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.